Hi everyone, I've got a Lexus IS 300 here on a 2013-14 plate. Just going to show you how to replace a bulb, which is a DS4 bulb. Now, you got to be careful, you never hold it from the lens there, so that's the bulb we're replacing. It's quite an awkward one, but all you're going to need is a couple of tools. You need a flat screwdriver, a 10mm socket and a ratchet if you've got it. Then you've got screws here, that's the screw you need to remove. There's a screw on the bottom, that's what you remove. And then the screw on the inside here, for this panel, that's what you want to remove. And then undo this screw here. Once you've undone all of them, unplug it. You get this out of the way. Take this out. Gently pull the air filter box out. Right? And then on the inside here, you've got a plug. This plug here. So all you do is push the plug in from the top. Gently put the screwdriver in so you can take the plug out. Oh, be careful, you don't want to break it. That's it, that plug's out now. Then you twist this to your right, no, sorry, to your left, like this, and gently pull the whole thing out. Be careful, you don't want to like really damage this or the gas discharge thing for the bulb. So you put that onto the side. And you've got the bulb, which you've got these little springs. As you can see, one spring here. And then there's one spring on the top. You then pull the bulb out. Now just remember how you pulled it out. That's how it's going to go. So it's only got one lug there and one lug on the top. So that's how it's going to go. I'm going to get a new bulb. Right, I've got the new bulb now, so you can see where the lugs are. On the bulb holder thing as well, you can see. So you need to go in like this. Make sure the bulb sits in lovely. Get the spring. Put it back together. And then that there would only go one way, so it just goes in like this, basically pushes in. And then, oh sorry, yeah, you do have to, okay, so you twist it to your right then. That locks in position. Then, you screw it in. Click it back in. And I'm just going to check the bulb now to make sure it's working. So I'm just going to switch the lights on. As you can see now, both of them are working. That's what you got to do on your one. Any more information, please do let us know. We'll try to help you out. But remember to put everything back together the way you took it out. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.